So I'm going to use my internal mic to record this video just because it's going to be pretty quick, and I just am doing this right now and I have time. So my voice might sound a little different, but anyway, if you like content related to WordPress performance, WordPress security, local SEO, I guess ChatGPT now, so a little bit of AI, crypto, that kind of stuff, subscribe, join the Discord channel. If you need any help, go over to Norzer.me, right? So how do you get entities, right? So entities, it used to just be keywords, now it's entities. So when I say entities, I'm talking about there's entities on a website. So NLP, like AI NLP type entities. And I may not be using the correct lingo because I'm not an AI expert. So how do we do it? ChatGPT, obviously. So if you have a house cleaning business or you are an SEO professional working on a house cleaning company website, you could say, give me the top 10 AI, and I just posted another video, or it'll be out soon. I'm not sure what order these go in, on how to extract the top entities from the top results in this SERP. So look for that video too. So give me the top 10 AI, so artificial intelligence, NLP entities used on popular house cleaning websites. So let's let it go. That's not what I wanted. Sometimes it gets crazy. So what we're going to do, we're going to stop. We're going to do new. And we can do it again. The top 10 NLP entities on house cleaning websites. Let's make this a little bigger. So these are topics that you definitely would want to mention each one of these on the home site, and things that are service types, you'd want to create landing pages for these services. You just got to use common sense, right? So it makes sense that of these, I would have a landing page for residential cleaning. I would have so residential house cleaning could kind of be the same thing. Then I would have one for deep cleaning. Then you could also do from there, at a minimum, you should just mention all these on the home page. So you could say, create a short summary for home cleaning. So you could put a little, like this could be an H2 on the home page, and this could be a little summary underneath it. Now, of course, you'd change it up a little bit or run it through Quillbot or something. This actually isn't a really good example. So you could say, change this to be more marketing friendly or something like that, right? Then you could do something like this. This is a friend of mine, Kyle, just suggested this in a Discord server that we're on. Split them up into lexical and semantically. So, whoops, let's go back here. Let me go back and do this again. So we're back to this. Then we're going to say split them up. So I'm just giving you ideas, right? This is just to get your brain thinking about, because like I've been using ChatGPT for maybe 2 months, like everybody else, and this just came to mind. Like somebody watching this video 5 years from now is going to think this is basic stupid stuff, right? But right now we're just like trying to get in the habit of using ChatGPT for our daily tasks. So split them up into lexical and semantically related entities. So then from here, you could even do like keyword clusters. So these are semantics. See, so this is really cool. And you can actually, like drill down into each one of them. So you could do like create a SEO type keyword cluster. And I just like saying SEO so it kind of knows what I'm talking about. For create an SEO type keyword cluster for deep cleaning. So if you're into keyword clusters, this could be and I don't know how accurate this is. It seems to be pretty accurate. I'd have to compare this to some other keyword clustering tools, but it looks to be pretty cool. Like you definitely, on a deep cleaning, you definitely would see it's for apartments, offices, checklists, the benefits of deep cleaning. These are all things that are very common and would be related to the broader deep cleaning topic. So hope this helps. Like, subscribe, notification bell. If you need any help, head over to my website and then type below what you typed to find this. That would really help me out. And yeah, hope this helps. If you have any ideas, let me know. Cool stuff. Thanks.